Hello princesses! Today I'm going to be talking about a few new skincare products. These skincare products were sent to me for review by YesStyle and my face has just been cleansed and I'm like desperate to put something on it, so I'm just going to get straight into it. The first product is a serum. This one is from the Face Republic and it is the Calming Blemish Madeccassoside Serum. And I've really been enjoying this one in the morning and in the night. It is a little bit lighter in texture than I would particularly like for my skin, but that is mostly because this skincare set is made for summer and I am in the middle of winter, so I'm freezing my butt off right now. But I could definitely see this serum working really well for my skin in summer. It's super lightweight, but it still feels really nice and moisturizing. It's not quite enough for my skin right now, but it's doing the job pretty well. The product that I would normally put before that is actually a mask, and this is from I'm From, and it is the Beet Purifying Mask. I really wanted to try this one because I actually really like products from I'm From. So this was the big draw for me when they sort of came up with this product set. I was like, it's not summer in New Zealand, but I really wanted to try this anyway. The downside, and the reason that I'm not putting on my skin right this second, is because it's in the middle of the day, because it's winter in New Zealand. The sun is terrible in the morning and in the evening, so I need to film in the middle of the day. It's very inconvenient. And you know what is also inconvenient is the amount of time it takes me to take this mask off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert some footage for you right now of me doing it tonight, and you can see me applying it, and then I'm going to get in the shower to take it off because it really is so much easier. But the mask itself is actually really nice. It's like a little pink color. It's a little bit exfoliating, but not really. Like, it's got a little bit of something in there if you wanted to scrub at it, and it just made my skin feel really nice and smooth. It's definitely a mask that I'm going to continuously use because I think that it's fun. It smells quite nice as well. Like, it's very perfumed. Like, it doesn't smell like beets whatsoever, which I was kind of worried that it would, because I don't know, I just think that that would be a little bit bizarre. But it is a really fun product, pretty in pink, which I love, and it just makes my skin feel really nice, so I love it. The next products are two sets of creams. So the one that I'm going to be using today is the one from the Village Factory. This is the Derma B5 Cica cream, and this is actually a cream that I have had before and I really liked it, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna have that again. It kind of has like a smooth gel-like consistency. It goes on really easily and it absorbs really fast. And again, I used this in the summer last time as well because again, they are summer themed products. This is a little bit light for me in winter, but it is an all-round great cream. It can be used at night or during the day, although I believe that I use mine mostly during the day, especially during winter because I need the extra bit of moisture. The cream that I'm not using is actually a really cool one. This one is from, I don't know what the brand is, I think it's like CAOLION maybe. And I also, the link that they provided doesn't work. I can't actually buy it on YesStyle, which is really bizarre with this. Okay, this is called the Relipy Relaxant Cream. So this one is kind of like tan in colour, which is really bizarre. It's like beige maybe. And it has like a really thin gel consistency as well. This one I did try it because I really wanted to see what it was going to be like on the skin, and it's really nice, but it has got ingredients in it that make my skin break out, unfortunately. So it's not one that I can actually utilize on my face, and I feel like, oh, it smells really nice. It smells a bit like sunscreen. I feel like for this one, it's not one that I would use on my body either, so I'm definitely going to be giving it away because it is a really nice cream. But there was something about it that made my skin look like a little bit more perfect. Like, maybe it was the beige colouring, but it did make my skin look just that little bit nicer. And I was really obsessed with it until I figured out that it was making my skin break out, which was incredibly unfortunate, but it is the way that things go. The next product is one that didn't actually come with this set, but it was actually picked up as a sponsored product from YesStyle on its own. And this is the new sunscreen, obsessed with sunscreens. This one is from the beauty of Joseon, the Relief Sun Rice Plus Probiotics sunscreen. And this one I picked up because I love trying out new sunscreens, and I also really like trying out sunscreens in the middle of winter because even if they are horrible and have the worst white cast ever or are super greasy, I can usually get a good amount of wear out of them during winter rather than in summer where I'm a little bit more picky with my sunscreens. But again, being fairly pale, the white cast doesn't particularly bother me. This one does have a little bit of a white cast, I would say, if you're using the correct amount of sunscreen, but it does seem to dissipate pretty easily when it's like rubbed in or sort of spread out a little bit more. I do feel like I am under applying the sunscreen a little bit though, and again because I have a lighter complexion. If you have a deeper complexion, this may not be a perfectly transparent sunscreen. I am not really the right person to test these claims, but it has a really beautiful finish on the skin. It feels nice and it lasts all day for me. Like, I don't feel like I'm getting any sun damage, and it's just really nice to use. I also quite like the bottle as well. Like, I like how it's, you know, tipped down. You're going to get all of the product out, and it's just like a really nice plain beige. Like, it'll look really nice in a bathroom, no matter like what your style is in bathrooms, I guess. The last one is one that I haven't actually used because I'm not really sure about it. This is from Aromatica, and it is the Soothing Aloe Vera Gel. I think that I'm actually going to just put this in the back of my drawer for when summer comes around. I don't really get sunburnt because I don't really go out in the sun, and I am obsessed with sunscreen, but for those off chances where, like, I think I got sunburnt once last year maybe, for those off chances where I feel like I want to put some aloe vera gel on, I think I'm going to just keep it around for that. It smells like nothing, and it feels also like nothing. It just feels like a gel. Like, this is the thing, like, I can't, unless I have like a sunburn or something that needs to be soothed or calmed, like, I can't really test this out properly. It's just, it feels nice. It feels like a gel. It looks like a gel. Does my head look soothed? Maybe. It wasn't like unsoothed in the first place, so do you know what I mean? Like, it's a little bit hard, but it is pretty cool, and it's a nice looking tube. Yeah, it's going to go in the back of the drawer until we get to summer. So that is it for the new skincare ingredients. There are a few that I particularly like. Again, I really love that Village Factory Derma Clear B5 Cica Cream. I've definitely used up a whole one of these previously, and I'll definitely be using this one again, so I'm really excited to have this back in my collection. The I'm From Beet Purifying Mask is just a lot of fun. I don't necessarily think that it's an amazing mask in terms of it's going to make your skin glowing and beautiful, but it's pink, it's fun, and it smells really nice. I just recommend getting in the shower to take it off because it's just such a pain to take off. And then the last one that I'm really liking is the sunscreen, Kbeauty Joseon sunscreen. This one is like a really nice moisturizing, my skin looks beautiful sort of thing. So those are the ones that I would totally recommend purchasing. So thank you so much to Estelle for sending these products for review, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!